Hoffmann Group UK offer a world-leading range of cutting tools. So what other services do you offer?
Well, Lyndsey, in addition to our vast cutting tool range, we also offer regrinds of our cutting tool range, be it drills, end mills, and predominantly for HSS and carbides. But what a lot of people don't know is that we also offer a coating service. So if there are any new tools, we can recoat those to give that particular tool a longer life.
So what professionals do you have in place to be able to support this?
We have a dedicated internal technical support team. In addition, we also have a large external team covering the whole of the UK.
So ultimately, how is this going to benefit your customers?
Well, for instance, Lyndsey, if a customer needed to reduce a cycle time, we've invested heavily in our team of specialists. So we have cutting tool specialists out there. They will call on the customer, they will get to grips with the project, they will get under the skin, they will really delve into the technical aspects, and we will reduce that cycle time. So if we have customers out there, part of our ethos is all about how we drive efficiencies. Talk to us, we'll come and help you out.